Now let's take a step back and look at something that most designers overlook, the mindset of the people who are interviewing you. Because while you're focused on solving the design challenge, the assessors are asking themselves one simple, powerful question. Would this person thrive on our team? That question guides almost everything they observe during your interview, from how you think and collaborate to how you react under pressure. Let's break that down. The first thing interviewers think about is, can this person deliver work consistently without excessive hand-holding? They want to see if you can take a problem, structure it, and move it forward independently. Your whiteboard session is their window into your ownership mindset, whether you show initiative, ask the right clarifying questions, and make thoughtful trade-offs without waiting for constant direction. This doesn't mean you need to know everything, it means you show the ability to figure things out confidently and constructively. The next question they consider is about collaboration and team energy. Would teammates actually enjoy working with this person? During the whiteboard session, interviewers notice your tone, openness, and how you respond to feedback. Do you elevate the conversation, build on others' ideas, and invite input, or do you dominate the discussion, making it feel one-sided? Design is a team sport. They're not just hiring a designer, they're hiring a collaborator who can bring positive energy into the room. Next, and this one is big, can they handle product ambiguity? Every real-world product evolves. Requirements shift, constraints appear, timelines shrink. Interviewers want to see whether you get flustered when things change or whether you stay calm, refocus, and find clarity through structured thinking. If you can thrive when things are unclear by breaking ambiguity into smaller solvable parts, you instantly stand out as someone who can handle complexity in the real world. And finally, can they justify design decisions to non-designers? Remember, in real product teams, you'll work with engineers, executives, and customers, people who may not speak the same design language you do. So interviewers look for your ability to explain your design logic simply and clearly. Can you translate design reasoning into business impact? Can you defend choices without being defensive? That's how they gauge your communication maturity. At the end of the day, you're not being evaluated as a task completion machine. You're being evaluated as a future colleague, someone they'll brainstorm with, debate with, and rely on. Your culture, fit, adaptability, and collaboration style carry enormous weight. Because in the real world, great designers aren't just great problem solvers, they're great teammates who make everyone around them better. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one where we continue mastering the whiteboard challenge together.